There are certain things that we can do in order to avoid charges. Hitting my first milestone of 10k subscribers. I did go to Nikon to check for the prices, and I was like, oh, one pan in this palette which has a shimmer shade actually got broken. Thanks a lot. I'm getting a little shut. Obviously, lippy pencils are available in Nikon, aren't they? And even lip oils. I'm not sure. Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is MAKEUPBYMUMMMTAJ. If this is first time you're watching this channel and my content, please take a moment to subscribe to this channel, which will mean the absolute world to me. And also don't forget to like this video and comment if you have any video suggestions. I'm also there on Instagram in the same handle, MAKEUPBYMUMMMTAJ. If you're there on Instagram too, please follow me there and give me your support. I also do have another second YouTube channel which is all about coffee art. So do have a look at that and subscribe too. In this video, we are quickly going to see what is the special delivery package that I received from You heard me right. Yes. Colourpop is now officially and finally launched in India, and we all so excited about it. I know there are so many things to talk about Colourpop. I don't even know from where to start or where to end. Before I proceed with this video, if you want to know how I created this particular look, then do stay tuned. Click that bell icon once you subscribe to this channel and hit the option on so that you're notified from YouTube every time I upload a new long form video, a shorts video, a community post and whatnot, and also when I come live. This is the first 2024 long form content that I'm putting out in this channel, where I get to talk to you guys and share a bit about what I feel. I know it's taken a very long time for me to reach to this place with 8,250 plus subscribers as of today. It's not an easy journey, guys, and I am sure, inshallah, before the end of January 2024, I am going to be hitting my first milestone of 10k subscribers. Oh my god, please continue to support me. Each of your support, comment, any kind of an encouragement, or even if it is a comment where I need to work on a little bit, I mean, that is what has made me reach to this place. I know it takes a long time, a super long time for me to hit 1 lakh subscribers and then go on, and it cannot happen without the support of you guys. This is a special delivery package I received from Colourpop. This was totally unexpected, and I never ever thought that Colourpop would send me this and make my 2024 a super thrilled and such an exciting year to start with. Obviously, it was sent during the last few days of December 2023 because it was set for the holiday seasons, obviously. And yeah, come on, let's see what is inside it. So first of the foremost, we have this cute little pamphlet that says a special delivery from Colourpop, and it also says from us to you. We have the name Colourpop here, which is super cute, and they have this note. I had already shared this note in my YouTube community post. You guys need to go and check that. It has a cute little message, and it all says, again, XOXO Colourpop. This is the first thing in my life, in fact, a first brand in my life that has been associated with me for so many years, mashallah, alhamdulillah. I know I have been a part of their ambassador program where I get PR boxes from them, and I can do a separate video if you want, guys. Let me know in the comment section everything about Colourpop, how I got into this program, how it works, how you get the PR packages, what are the things that you get to try from them. There is so much that I can talk about, including the customs in India and how the packages are delivered to you, or what are the charges they take from you when packages like this come, especially packages that has a whole big collection. And I mean, there's so much more to talk about. Let me know in the comment section. So after this cute little note, the next thing that first caught my attention, this particular cap that I received in this package. It says Colourpop. It has the brand name on it. This red color thread work as this adjustment thingy here. I just loosened it up so that I can wear it on top of this hijab cap, and it looks super cool, guys. Oh my god. It's been like many years since I have been contemplating to buy a cap for myself. I know it sounds funny, it sounds silly too. There were so many things that were going on in my mind that ended up me not buying a cap at all. And Colourpop, I mean, this is the need of the hour for me. So that is how it looks inside. This particular tag, it says 100% cotton, made in Bangladesh. Bangladesh, okay, cool. Moving on to the second product. So the second product we have is a pair of socks, again in white and red. This is like more like a Christmassy vibe, the holiday vibe. And again, this also says Colourpop on the socks. Look at that, the thread work. This is super cute. I also wore this and shared a picture in Instagram. Maybe I can share it on the side of this video also the same. So this is a very, very thick socks, and especially for this winter right now in Tamil Nadu in India, this is again another need of the hour. Next, we are moving on to the makeup category. And from the makeup category, first I will start with a palette, an eyeshadow palette. Okay, this one, Going Coconut, was something that I've been wanting to try for so long. Guys, these were all sent randomly from Colourpop. This has 9 different shades. Let me just take out the palette from the packaging. But by the way, look at the packaging, guys. Isn't that stunning? Let me take out the palette. This is how the palette looked. Before I open this palette, I also want to tell you guys that the one pan in this palette which has a shimmer shade actually got broken. Broken or damaged, you could call it in either ways. And I mean, it's okay, you can handle that and you can sort it out. But it's just that things like this are bound to happen when you get products from international location, because you know how the shipment works, especially in India. I'm just going to open this palette. This is how it looks. The one that I said that got broken was this pan. The shimmer shade name is called Palm Reader. Okay. They do have some pretty amazing shimmer shades. And yeah, they do have some really darkly pigmented browns and nudes and whatnot. This is the palette I'm wearing today for my eyes, and indeed for my highlighter purpose also I used it. And basically I created this look using all the products of Colourpop, especially the products that I received in this package. And that's the reason I said, please do not miss the upcoming video where I'm going to do a get ready with me. In this get ready with me, I have not used any foundation, concealer and things like that. Maybe I can plan and do something like that where every single thing, including the skincare, is all from Colourpop and their sister brands like Soul Body and I guess Full Straight. Yeah, Full Straight. So I can use those products and also every single makeup products of Colourpop. I can do a full form video. Do let me know in the comment section if you guys want to see that as well. By the way, if I need to just a little bit talk about the launch in India, I did go to Nykaa to check for the prices, and I was like, oh, you know what? I must tell you guys that Colourpop comes up with a lot of offers. Okay, they run a lot of sales sometimes, or maybe most of the times. You must wait for those sale periods and then you need to go and buy. I will also share you some tricks and some tips also if you want, like when is the right time for you to buy products from Colourpop. Just in case you're me, do let me know in the comment section, because there are certain things that we can do in order to avoid. This palette is basically a nude tones, brown tone. You can do a lot of nude eye looks and beautiful shimmer shades are there for you to, go ahead with your eye highlights and things like that. But that's pretty much about Going Coconuts, and let's move on to the next product. Next, I will talk about this blush that I received. This is again their pressed powder blush, and the name of this is in Flamenco. Let me take this out from the packaging, and this is how the pressed powder blush looks. This is the shade. This is indeed the blush that I'm wearing also. It's very subtle for my skin tone, no matter how much I layer it on the video, in the camera. I mean, you can only see this much. I don't even know if you guys can spot out the blush that I'm wearing, but I'm still wearing. I'm wearing this one. Maybe it would complement more on a different skin tone and not for my... While I talk about the pressed powder blush, this is one of their shades. I simply love. This is super pigmented. When I take only this much, it's like I can do both my cheeks, my nose, everything. It is super pigmented, and this is one of my favorite shades. This is how it looks. The name of the shade is Toffee Cake. Oh, wow. Look at that. Let me just show you guys though. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? I mean, there's so much that I already have at the back of my hand, but anyway, I'll try to show it to you guys. See how pigmented it is for my skin tone. This is one of my favorites. I use it in a lot of my videos, and I'm sure I will continue to use this because this is so beautiful on my skin. The next product is obviously something that Colourpop is famous for. I don't know if you guys guessed it right. It is the Super Shock Shadow, guys. I'm just going to open this. This is again another beautiful, like a champagne kind of a shade. Look at how pretty it is. That is what I'm wearing on my eyes. I'll show maybe a cutie snippet to you guys at the side of this video, just for you to know how beautiful it looks. The name of the shade is Rinsed. This is how it looks. It is a gorgeous shade. Maybe if you want, I can swatch it now on my hand. Here, look at that. Oh my goodness, isn't that gorgeous? I have a box full of Super Shock shadows. They are beautiful, they are amazing. I'll tell you the consistency of these Super Shock shadows. It's got that wet consistency, like that spongy feel when you touch it and you have to press it. Oh my god, it is beautiful. But it's just that you need to make sure you continue to use Super Shock shadows if you own it, because they may end up drying if you don't use it like for more than a year or so. So that is what you need to be careful about. The next product we have here is the lip liner. Obviously, it's a nude shade lip liner. It is called as a lippy pencil. Obviously, lippy pencils are available in Nykaa, aren't they? And even lip oils. I'm not sure. This is an affordable brand. Colourpop is an affordable brand. Let me just take this out of the packaging. By the way, the shade of this liner is BFF. We have it here. Alright, so this is how the lippy pencil looks. This is a shade of the lippy pencil. It's a nude shade again. And I already swatched it. Where do I have to swatch? Please ignore all the swatches that I did at the back of my hand, because they are all a part of the upcoming video. Yeah, okay, we have it here. This one. No. I think I'll re-swatch it again now because I don't know. There were so many products that I swatched. Yeah, okay, this is the shade. So that's a pretty nude shade, right? I'm also wearing that one also on my lips today. So the next one we have here is the last product from this package, which is not the least one. Obviously, it's the Luxe Lip Oil, which is again one of my favorite products from Colourpop. And especially they have sent me the shade, which is so favorite of mine. I already own 2 bottles in the same shade that was sent from Colourpop to me. And this is my third one. Oh my god, Skin Made Dip. It perfectly, literally I'm saying this, it perfectly suits my pigmented lips. Oh my god, I love this Luxe Lip Oil. It has a beautiful formula. I do have a little bit of pigmentation on my lips for the reason that I tend to bite my lips sometimes when it gets chappy. And this is the shade we have here. Let me open and show it to you guys. Watch it at the back of my hand again. I'm wearing this at the top of my lips today, and look at how pretty that looks. This one. Let me maybe apply it again. If you guys want, maybe I will try to do a swatch in a long form video with all these Luxe Lip Oils that I own from Colourpop. Do let me know in the comment section. To that, we have come to the end of this video. These are the products that I have received from Colourpop. Thank you so much, Colourpop. I should have said this at the beginning of this video. By the way, Colourpop, if you're watching this video, thank you so much from the bottom of my heart, because you guys have been a big part of my journey in social media, especially in Instagram. Me being in Instagram and in YouTube, that is also who took in charge of sending me packages. Thank you so much to the entire team of Colourpop for having shown this much love towards me, my work. Today in my life, if I own these many products, this much makeup, it's all because of you guys in Colourpop. Thank you so much. I mean, I really don't know. My heart is full of gratitude. Thanks a lot. I'm getting a little emotional. As I said, we have come to the end of this video. Thank you so much if you made it till here. Let me know in the comment section what are the other videos that you want to see from my end, and also the product that you liked from this package. It would mean the absolute world to me if you like this video and share it, save it. And until I see you next, this is Mummtaj saying bye.